branch falling off. Clouds are looking sick. And here's the rain. Starting out light and it should get heavier. Wow. And there's the heavy rain starting to fall. Whoa there. The rain is now coming down hard and fast. Whoa. Spider, hold on for dear life. Wow. Strong wind gusts, very strong. Oh my gosh. Coming down in sheets. Literally, this is very, very strong storm. I feel bad for anyone with their car window or windows open. Suck. Not a lot of lightning though. Just mainly heavy rain and strong winds. Although I can say there is a few lightning strikes here and there. So lightning is present. No hail, which is good. It's like the last thing we need. Nice thunder roll there. lucky for us, the line should pass through quickly, so it won't be flooding storms like we had recently. Although this is not going to help in what has happened already, the flooding is still present in some areas, and more rain is not very helpful, especially for some still flooded creeks and streams. It's a decent thunder crack. As you can see, the storm is pretty much it's not as strong anymore, and mostly the strong winds and stuff is over, so that's good. Well, there's the lightning I'm talking about. I think it's safe to say I should head inside. From in here, it's a lot safer because if you do hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning, and obviously that is present because that thunder crack was pretty loud and it was close too, so safe to say I should be here instead. Apologize for the camera refocusing. Also, lucky for us, the power is still on, which is nice because the power is lovely. Electricity is lovely and all, but the bills are not quite so lovely, but whatever. Electricity is lovely. And they provide things such as no weather radios, which in some cases can save your life. I have like 4 because I'm crazy. Kidding, I am a huge weather fan, so I happen to have 4, and if you would like to go see them, I can bring you there. I know the Weather Channel is it's going to edit this part out, but for you guys on YouTube, in which I'm going to upload it to, here you go, and 1, 2, 3. There you go, weather radios galore. Let me turn the lights on. As you can see, one weather radio, and the current letters: severe thunderstorm warning, special marine warning, flash flood watch, and severe thunderstorm watch. And currently, here is the one I have tuned on the Canada National Weather Service. So, cool. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my voiceover. Let me know if I should do this more often. See you later in the next video. Bye.